your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a farm update, guys. So of course, by the drip, as you know, but let's take an exploration trip of the family mine because it's evolving. Sorry if it's extremely loud, you all know the drill. Alright, got our podcast desk setting up right here. I got a rig over here for me and them to do podcasts, as well as maybe do some live streams in here, as well as I have the office. Yeah. Before I get too crazy, and forget, I have the other part of the desk in here. I'm actually going to put a mini fridge right there and coffee. So, Dogeworld Coffee, send me some coffee. Now, granted, you're all fluxtastic. Now, the farm is loud, but things have changed. That's right, guys. The wall is down. Welcome to the rest of the family mine. So, tomorrow, actually, all of these racks right here are going to be over here, kind of like right there, as well as some more wiring to run up there tomorrow as well, and all of these racks will be on this side. So that's kind of the new setup that we got going on here, guys. Got nothing but plugs in the ceiling over here. There's 6 30-amp plugs, as well as 6 110 plugs for like 20-amp plugs. So 20-amp plugs, 30-amp plugs. I have AC, a big AC unit, but we're not really going to use it, so there we are. All of these racks will sit right here. This next one will actually kind of come out a little bit and sit right here, if I don't just leave 3 racks inside of this section. The plan, once the racks are up, is to kind of section off, put a wall right here, so that way this is your cold aisle and your hot aisle will be inside of the apparatus in there, and we'll have fans on that side to pull the hot air out. Now that'll be pretty much the same setup for this side. We had to wait to get all this other equipment out of here before we could put our racks back, because we moved them and then we removed them. Yeah, so they'll be set right here. Another bathroom over there, and then they'll come out to right about here, and there will be a wall that way, probably right here. I'll try and make it right on the edge of these, so that way we'll have the same thing right here. Cold aisle out here, hot aisle will be basically right where I'm standing, and exhausted outside. This goes into an alleyway, so that's kind of the gist of that, guys. Welcome to the Family Mine, Part 2. Yo. Alright, guys, so that is the semi-setup tour of the Family Mine that we have coming out right now, which is Part 2 of the facility. That could be Part 3, maybe the Part 4. We'll see what's going to happen. But we'll have all of this space to work with right here. Remember, guys, you're all amazing. This couldn't have been done without y'all's help. Alright, y'all are freaking fantastic. Everybody by the drip, mind the dip. Stay savage. You're all amazing, guys. Catch you on the flip side. Much love.